What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I went out super early to Boca Grande and went fishing with Chris from Southwest Florida Fishing, One More Cast. He's got a really great YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description. He's very knowledgeable and makes really good videos, so definitely go check him out. He had a spare kayak that he said I could use, so met him out there before the sun was up, and he showed me some really great grass flat areas in Boca Grande and got us on some really nice fish. So we both had a really good time. I actually ended up getting a GrandSlam, which was the first one I've ever gotten. So big shout out to him for taking me out and helping me get that. And so enjoy these clips, guys. Leave a like and a comment, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, it is. I think that's a redfish. I think it's a red. Yep. Huh? I'm doing my job. Dude, yeah, thank you. Okay. I don't think I'll really need it. Nice. There we go. Sorry. You're good. That's a snook. There's the slam. I touched the leader, it counts.
Oh, there's red, there's two of them. There's one, there was two, there was another one.
Okay. Chris just got a really nice red there on a spoon. What was it, a gold or a silver spoon?
Gold spoon right here. Aqua Dream, 1/4 ounce. Got a gold and a red eye on it.
Nice.
Yeah.
And he said there was another one swimming with it. It looks like they're kind of schooling up a little bit out here, so that's awesome. Sick.
Nice. Right here, look at it. Look right here by my feet.
Holy shit.
Look at them. They're looking at this trout like they wanted to eat it.
That's crazy.
Right over there.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
That's a good red. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's like there's bigger ones.
Yeah, you see
Holy crap, bro. No, they took off. They just spooked, but oh man, yeah, one of them was like almost 35 or so.
There's a, remember the net's right there if you need it.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good one. He ain't real long, but he's like thick. Yeah, that'd be.
They're probably gonna be right here in this area for a minute. Like I said, they'll school. You'll have them. You'll get it. Let me see.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one right there. But
Yeah.
I'll grab my phone here.
I would guess. Oh, not even.
What is he, like 27?
24.
24?
Yeah.
He's just big.
Yeah. We're getting circled out here.
Huh?
We're getting circled out here.
Oh, that sharks?
Yeah. That is maybe a shark. I'm gonna get spooled. I'm gonna let him run for a second, but I'm gonna have to break it off. That was pretty cool.
Slam, that'd be awesome. Yes. Dude, that is awesome. Holy shit. Yes, let's go. No way did that just happen. Have you ever Grand Slam before? No. That's awesome, man.
I can get him in. He's hooked good. I got him.
Dude,
let's go.
That is awesome. No way. All right, I'm gonna put my rods back up. You got a leader, man. It's a catch. You got him. Grand Slam. Holy dang, Grand Slam. I'll get this clip and I'll send it to you, man.
All right, man.
Dude, that was awesome. I've never Grand Slam, dude. That right there, man. Air bump.
I'll get you when we land.
Yeah.